Well, only two important points that we should focus on from this recommendation, which is important for a telecom stock. Firstly, on the prices, there are two bands that are relevant for 5G services, and the prices of these bands have been cut by around 35 to 40% for the 20-year period. Now, this is as against what the telcos had demanded, a cut of around 90 to 95%. However, there's one more catch to this. Now, as 5G spectrum will be given for a period of 30 years, the prices of the spectrum would be nearly 1.5 times the 20-year prices. Thus, the net reduction in cash outflow for a telecom company would be only lower by only 3 to 10%. So not much of a positive impact coming in for the telecom companies on the pricing front. On the payment front, if you see, telecom companies had asked for a relaxed payment terms, and TRAI has tried to meet some of these demand of the telecom companies. Now they have suggested two payment options. The first payment option suggests that you make a part upfront payment, then avail the moratorium for the number of years for which you have made the part upfront payment, and then you pay the balance amount over the remaining number of years. Now they have not mentioned what is the balance remaining number of years, but we are assuming it should be around 30 years. That is the total auction that is valid for. Now the second option payment is where you pay the interest amount upfront, so that the NPV, that is the net present value of the spectrum, remains unchanged, and then you pay the balance amount over the period of 30 years. Now this is not exactly what the telecom companies had asked for, but it is pretty much relaxed than what the current payment structure is, where you need to pay nearly 25 to 50% of the spectrum prices upfront, then avail a 2-year moratorium and pay the remaining balance amount over the period of 16 years.